Since age 11, he is obsessed. Every waking hour is for YouTube. Jimmy Donaldson lives for the grind. Without creating, he loses his sanity. This is viral DNA at work. He lives inside a concrete studio. No mansion or fancy luxury cars. Freedom is better than a Lamborghini. His bed is near his computer. Total focus on the next video. MrBeast operating costs are 4 million monthly. He reinvests every single penny earned. This fuels his massive creative fire and one brand deal worth $3 million. High stakes create high global impact. 200 people run this empire. 40,000 square feet of the space. No beams to block the cameras. A massive arsenal for crazy videos. Building sets for months at a time. Spent 1700 hours for one edit. Testing every video 7 different times. Retention drops from simple jokes. Data drives every single creative choice because perfection is the only real goal. MrBeast Burger hit 100 million sales. Multiple languages reach the whole world. Spanish, Japanese and Hindi dubbing channels. Business is just a competitive sport, expanding into mobile games and cookies. So debt is a trap for creators. Keeping life simple gives him power. He skips the 10 millions mention. No insurance costs. They hold him. Pure focus on making great content. MrBeast inspires the next generation kids, inspiring millions to give and volunteer. Money is a tool for good and building a legacy that lasts forever, because this is the new YouTube standard.